Hello, hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the East to West Della Terra. This is going to be their 263 RK. Now the RK is going to stand for rear kitchen, and you'll see that as soon as we get on the inside. Taking a look at the campsite of this travel trailer, you have a pretty good size awning. You have dual entrance as well as dual solid steps. You also have dual axles. So dual everything up in here. Stepping on the inside of this travel trailer, we're going to start with our kitchen area first. So rear kitchen, like I said, at the very back, you're going to have your sink with this massive window, plenty of storage, 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, and then you're going to have your oversized 12-volt refrigerator. Super nice to have. 2 slide outs in this travel trailer altogether. This first one's going to consist of your freestanding dinette and your theater seating. Within your theater seating, you do have recline, remote storage, and cup holders. Across from it, you're going to have your entertainment center. So you have your smart TV, sound bar, and then your fireplace down below. Right off of your living room area, you're going to find your bathroom. So you have your medicine cabinet, sink, pretty good sized shower with your skylight, and then your porcelain toilet's going to be right below. Like I said, there are 2 slide outs. This is going to be the second one in the main bedroom. This is going to be a queen size bed. You have windows surrounding your mattress, which is really nice. And normally you see a wardrobe across from the bed, but you have plenty of walk space up in this travel trailer. There's that dual entrance that we saw. You have your TV backer up there. And then you also have washer and dryer prep or more wardrobe space. Totally up to you. But you do already have plenty of wardrobe space up in here. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Della Terra 263 RK. Thank you so much. Have a great day. This first one's going to consist of your freestanding dinette and your theater seating. Within your theater seating, you do have recline, remote storage,